Start your mornings with eggs Benedict, soft poached eggs, rich hollandaise sauce and perfectly toasted bread. Simple but so satisfying. Then there's Cullen Skink, a traditional Scottish soup made with smoked haddock, potatoes and cream. If you love seafood, Scottish langoustines are a must. Fresh, sweet and cooked simply to let the natural flavors shine. Even porridge in Scotland feels different. Creamy, hearty and comforting. Seafood risotto brings together fresh coastal flavors in one rich, creamy dish. And finally, bangers and mash. Juicy sausages with buttery mashed potatoes and onion gravy. It's so comfort and pure food. Scotland isn't just about castles and landscapes. It's also full of these comfort food you won't forget.